Taking this thing forward in black, I have put together 10 of my favorite black outfits. So guys, these are my 10 favorite looks, all in black. I wear it on days when I don't want to think so much about what color to match with what. This is one of those costumes. And moment I switch to this costume, I think I'm ready for a nap. So I'll be showing them to you, and please feel free to judge and give them a score. Guys, ever wondered about this color black? मतलब इतना mixed response मुझे color के बारे में कभी नहीं मिला. If I speak to anyone, boyfriend or girlfriend or anyone that would talk about the color black, they'll talk about when somebody looked wow wearing black. अगर husband है तो बोलेगा रे anniversary के दिन black साड़ी पहनना. And if it's a girl, she'll remember, oh, he wore like a black tux that day and he looked so handsome. At the same time, कोई अगर घर पे पूजा है या ज्योतिष है, astrologer जो भी, I have been advised so many times, oh, you know what, don't wear black because something about Saturn, I don't know what. Try not wearing black. At the same time, if somebody wants to advise you on, आजकल जो हम बोलते हैं, आजकल नहीं sorry, पहले से है दृष्टि या नजर, or in English what we call as the evil eye. Now, one of the remedies for the evil eye is to put a black dot somewhere not so prominent here or under your feet or on your hand. So this is like a very mixed view I feel of the color. At the same time, I think when you're in doubt or on a day when you feel fat, या तो कुछ match नहीं हो रहा है या तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, Black is the go-to color for everyone I know. उसमें दिमाग नहीं लगता ज़्यादा, उसमें matching भी नहीं है. You have a black top and a black pant and a black shirt, they will all match each other. So, taking this thing forward in black, I have put together 10 of my favorite black outfits. So guys, these are my 10 favorite looks, all in black. I wear it on days when I don't want to think so much about what color to match with what. So I'll be showing them to you, and please feel free to judge and give them a score. You can mention it in the comments down below. So let's get started. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. इस ड्रेस की स्टोरी है, एक्चुअली सारे ड्रेसेस की स्टोरी है, बट दिस वन आई रिमेंबर. इफ आई रिमेंबर करेक्टली ये 10 साल से ज़्यादा पुराना है और ये मैंने एक ऑनलाइन खरीदा था फ्रॉम अ शॉपिंग ऐप कॉल्ड कूव्स. आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर इफ इट्स स्टिल एक्टिव, बट दिस वाज द परफेक्ट ड्रेस, नो ब्रेनर, एंड आई इवन wore it to my best friend's baby shower. Wasn't the most appropriate color, but I wore it nevertheless. So what I like about this dress is it doesn't require guys, like the guys who don't know, I'm just informing you, लड़कियों का एक schedule होता है to decide what dress to wear which time of the month. No, not in that sense. It has to align with our waxing schedules. Okay, so sometimes there are dresses for which you should be fresh out from the salon, and then there are some dresses you can wear in the in-between phases. So this was kind of that I could wear in the in-between phase. It didn't have a stress attached to it. ज़्यादा preparation कुछ नहीं था, and I could slip it on and just go for the occasion, whatever it was. So guys, outfit number 2. So this is the second black outfit in a series of 10 favorite outfits, and I don't even know what to say about this. It's there, I wear it very often, and since it's a one piece, I don't have to worry about matching or what top goes with what bottom. Same for one of those days जब मुझे ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं. It's also black too. जिनको हल्का फुल्का मोटापे का कॉम्प्लेक्स या प्रॉब्लम है जो भी आपकी लाइफ में हो, black tends to make you look a little better. It can actually skim your silhouette a little. So that was the intention with which I bought black before. Now I've just started liking the color. I suddenly feel very ready to go for a party. Although ये टाइम पे थोड़ा मुश्किल है, a party where I can wear black. But this outfit to me is the definition of true love. You know when someone says I will love you through thick and thin. Now there are outfits which love you through thick and thick. That I didn't have a thin face. I have bought this when I was around 10 kgs lighter. It fit me the same. Then I put on a lot more weight when I was heavier than this, and it still fit me the same. I wear it today and it still fits me the same. This is of course synthetic. I'm not the biggest fan, but this outfit just stretches with how my body has decided to be for that. So this is again my when in doubt outfit for a little more formal occasion, I would say. Maybe a party or a dinner, or sometimes I need to make a video or something to send to someone. I took on this outfit. It does not matter whether I'm bloated, way. It fits in a predictable way. All right. What's my favorite thing about this dress? Well, it's kind of, you know, the viscose, little more cotton material. So it has stretch, but it's more cotton. The disadvantage is it can get lint sometimes, but the advantage is I can wear it in the peak of summer and it doesn't start like a little sauna inside. Other than that, it's been there with me forever. I would say from 2017 I've had this. I got it from Forever 21 in Mumbai in Orbit Mall. I remember very clearly. That's the stage when I realized a few basic staples like work a really long way. So if you have like plain dresses, plain, you know, t-shirts, plain pants, it's very, very easy to mix and match and make it like new. So, did you guys love it? Okay, I have to love it because there's a story behind this. And just to give you proof, you can see the tag. So, this is my first trial of this dress. I just bought it, it arrived yesterday. And I think it's non-returnable hai. So I have chosen to love it. Also, yeah, it deserves to be loved. This again is a very, very no-brainer dress that I can wear for just multiple occasions. And I'm discovering it as I'm showing it to you. It's giving me very, I don't know, I just feel like one of you should take me out for dinner. I put red lipstick on and wore a black dress and no guys taking me out for dinner. Maybe I'll go myself. Guys, मुझे अपने खुद के जोक बहुत funny लगते हैं. So guys, do I really need to tell you why this is my favorite outfit? It's because it's this really, really comfortable cotton pajamas and top. And you know, it's so comfortable. I can use it. You know, sometimes these days happen where you want to really dress up for sleeping. Like, you know, you want to go to sleep, but you want to look like you put an effort into what you wore for sleeping. This is one of those costumes. I think on days when I actually care about that, I wear this. Sure enough, as soon as I put it on, I'm ready for bed because I was very active till I wore my party clothes. And moment I switched to this costume, I think I'm ready for a nap. So logically, I think I should go take a nap. मतलब मैंने सोने का dress तो पहन ही लिया. So I will go take a nap and see you very soon. Let me know which of the costumes you like. Please feel free to give them a score on a scale of 0 to 10. You can let me know in the comment section down below. Till then, take care, bye-bye, God bless. Sweet dreams too, to me, because I'm gonna go and sleep.